Precision is the difference between a DIY project and a professional installation. Behold, the new Stencil kit for the Duality LED track system. Whether you're chasing geometric perfection or chaotic flow, this tool ensures your track fits your space perfectly every single time. Let's look at how this one print simplifies your layout. The Stencil has all Duality track sections at a 1/20th scale. Starting at the top, we have the straight sections. It's important to know that the gap between the sections is for modularity and visualization. In real life, the sections are connected with no gap, so the gap in the Stencil is incorporated into the length. This means that for the end track sections, use the slots on the far right because they are longer to make the overall dimension accurate. They also have a little jog to indicate that it's either the end or start of the track. You may have noticed that a lot of the sections have a straight section next to them. This is to help align the Stencil with straight track sections. Just line it up in the window and trace your line. If you don't have a line drawn yet, just use it to slightly mark it, so you can then align and trace your straight sections. The full radius sections have a similar feature that allow you to align the Stencil with the curve. Once you've created your pattern, you can measure with the edge of the Stencil, which will give you the full size dimensions in centimeters. You could also measure with calipers or a ruler and multiply by 20. I hope you find this Stencil helpful in creating your patterns. Leave any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video.